Welcome for Photoshop Animation for Dummies 2. This tutorial will be even easier than the last one. First of all, you want to open up your PNG file that you created on Illustrator. You notice you have more space on the top and the bottom of the emoji. Open up a timeline and then create a new frame. For the second frame, you want to put it on the bottom of the page, and then for the first frame, you want to put the emoji on the top of the frame. Go back to the first frame and then click on between the animation frames. Now check the options. It's supposed to have next frame and 5 in between. This means Photoshop will create 5 more frames in between the first and the second to make the motion. Play the animation to see the motion. Now go ahead and make more frames and then go back to the first one and create in between frames. So you will create a frame for the highest and the lowest, and then you create in between frames to make the motion smoother. Make the animation more smoother and longer by adding more frames in between. Don't forget to save your file as a GIF file and try it on your browser. That's it. Easy, right? Let's go and make one.